My name is Parameshwari. My course is Advanced Data Science with Generative AI. My project title is AI Resume Analyzer. First, we are going to see requirements.txt. Requirement.txt file. This file contains all the Python libraries required to run my project. Next step is to run the page python app.py code. We have to give and below like we have follow and click. Here I am uploading some example resume. After uploaded the resume, next we have to click the analyze my resume. The given resume will be reviewed by the AI application overall score, ATS score, experience level of the particular person based on the given resume. Next, session by session, review will be done like contact information, education, experience, formatting, skills, summary. Next, strength and weakness of the person will be analyzed by the AI. Skills will be found and suggest skills to add. It will give some suggestions. What be the missing sections that we have to add in our resume? What are all the actions to be taken to improve our resume based on the priority order high, medium, low? Next, best fit job roles based on the resume. AI suggests professional summary of our resume. It will help to job seekers and freshers to improve their resume and get a job in the company. Thank you.